Can you name the capital? Test your geography skills. Let's begin. Guess the capital city of Japan. A. Osaka. B. Tokyo. C. Kyoto. Japan's capital is Tokyo. Well done. Can you name the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Bengaluru. The capital of India is New Delhi. Nice work. Do you know the capital of France? A. Lyon. B. Marseille. C. Paris. France's capital is Paris. Great going. Can you find the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Ottawa. C. Vancouver. And the capital of Canada is Ottawa. Perfect. Can you guess the capital of United States? A. Lyon. B. Washington, D.C. C. Los Angeles. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. Awesome. What is the capital of South Korea? A. Seoul. B. Busan. C. Incheon. South Korea's capital is Seoul. You are doing great. Can you name the capital of the Philippines? A. Cebu. B. Davao. C. Manila. The capital of the Philippines is Manila. Great. Keep going. What is the capital of Germany? A. Munich. B. Berlin. C. Frankfurt. Germany's capital is Berlin. That was a good one. Do you know the capital of the United Kingdom? A. London. B. Manchester. C. Birmingham. The capital of the United Kingdom is London. Nice. What is the capital of Brazil? A. Salvador. B. Sao Paulo. C. Brasilia. And Brazil's capital is Brasilia. Well done. Can you name the capital of China? A. Shanghai. B. Beijing. C. Hong Kong. The capital of China is Beijing. Good job. Do you know the capital of Spain? A. Madrid. B. Valencia. C. Barcelona. Spain's capital is Madrid. You are doing great. Can you guess the capital of Mexico? A. Guadalajara. B. Cancun. C. Mexico City. The capital of Mexico is Mexico City. That was a smart pick. What is the capital of Thailand? A. Chiang Mai. B. Bangkok. C. Phuket. Thailand's capital is Bangkok. Keep it up. Name the capital of Australia. A. Sydney. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Nice work. Can you guess the capital of Italy? A. Rome, B. Milan, C. Venice. Yes, Italy's capital is Rome. Great job. Do you know the capital of Russia? A. Kazan, B. St. Petersburg, C. Moscow. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Nice one. What is the capital of Turkey? A. Istanbul, B. Ankara, C. Izmir. Turkey's capital is Ankara. Well done if you knew that. What is the capital of the Netherlands? A. Amsterdam, B. Rotterdam, C. Utrecht. The capital of the Netherlands is Amsterdam. Good. Can you name the capital of Saudi Arabia? A. Jeddah, B. Riyadh, C. Mecca. Saudi Arabia's capital is Riyadh. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quizzes. Share your answers in the comments.